नवयुग शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली, संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली, affiliated by स्वामी रामानंद तीर्थ मराठवाडा University, Nanded. Yes, good morning all the student of class BSc FY, subject Zoology, paper number 4th, name of the paper Developmental Biology, unit number 1st. In this second topic is the early embryonics development. Name of the today's topic is the vitellogenesis in the birds. Presented by myself, Dr. Thorat Mandakini Manohar, Assistant Professor and HOD of Zoology Department. Dear student, in the last period we see the gametogenesis, spermatogenesis and oogenesis. In this period we see the vitellogenesis in the birds. Firstly, we know what is meant by vitellogenesis. Vitellogenesis is the process through which the food is progressively stored in the growing oocytes of oviparous animals, making up the yolk of the mature eggs. The process is remarkably similar in all the animals analyzed so far. There are the many common points during the vitellogenesis of worms, insects and vertebrates like the amphibians, reptiles and the birds. Most of the food reserves are produced outside the oocytes and transported through the bony body fluids. It is also called pseudocoelomics fluid in the nematodes, hemiolymph in insect or the blood in the vertebrates. By the soluble proteins. The uptake of these proteins by the oocyte is mediated by the specific receptors. The synthesis of these proteins is controlled by hormones except in the nematodes. The main proteins involved in the process are called vitellogenesis. They are the large proteins greater than 500 to 5 lakh times the mass of hydrogen atom and have the lipid, carbohydrates and phosphate associated to them. Then generally vitellogenesis is also called the yolk deposition, is the process of yolk formation while the nutrients being deposited in the oocyte or the female germ involved in the reproduction of lesiotrophic organism in insect. It starts when the fat body stimulates the release of juvenile hormones and produce the vitellogenin proteins. It occurs in all the animal groups other than the mammals. In cockroach, for example, vitellogenesis can be stimulated by the injection of juvenile hormones into the immature female and the mature males. Chemically, yolk is lipoprotein composed of proteins, phospholipids and neutral fats along with the small amount of glycogen. The yolk is synthesized in the liver of the female parent in the soluble form. Through the circulation, it is transported to the follicle cells that surround the maturing ovum and is deposited in the form of yolk platelets and granules in the ooplasm. The mitochondria and Golgi complex are said to bring about the conversion of the soluble form of the yolk into the insoluble granules or the platelet. And this is also the figure diagram of vitellogenesis in the Digenean. In the mosquito infected with the Plasmodium, vitellogenesis may be manipulated by the parasite to reduce the fecundity. In the mammalian vitellogenesis, vitellogenin is the major protein produced by the vitamin gene and regulated by the oestrogen. The yolk consists of lipid, triglyceride, cholesterol, etc. Protein, mainly the vitellogenin. The term vitellogenesis comes from the Latin vitellus means eggs yolk. Generally, summary of the main pattern of yolk accumulation and the cleavage in the animal embryology in this holoblastic and myrioblastic. That is, a holoblastic means called complete cleavage, myrioblastic means called incomplete cleavage. In generally the isoleucine, sparse evenly distributed yolk, radial cleavage, echinoderm, hemichord emphasis, spiral cleavage, annelid most molluscus, flatworms, bilateral cleavage, tunicate, rotational cleavage, placental, mammal, nematodes, marsupial, displaced radial cleavage. But in the mereoblastic or incomplete cleavage, they are found in the birds like the discoidal cleavage. Some fish, the hagfish, chondrichthyes and Bostelius, Cyrophos, reptiles and birds, monotremes, centroleucital yolk in center of eggs, cleavage generally in the mereoblastic or incomplete cleavage. This is the vitellogenesis which are found in the different animals, generally also in the found in the birds. Next, yes, goodbye the student. Next period we see the next topic.